homemaker? Then today's video is entirely for you. However, it doesn't mean that men cannot watch this video. In fact, men should really watch this video so that they could make the way easier for homemakers who are trying to learn this language but trying to learn English language. See, I do agree as a homemaker, you have a lot of works, you have a lot of responsibilities, and you are doing that responsibilities. You are working hard, but deep down you are feeling pain because you know your potential. And to some extent, you are compromising your potential. Just think about it. If I ask you, what's your hobby? What would be your answer? Your answer would be, I love to travel the world. I love to travel the entire world. Your answer would be, I love to go abroad. I love to communicate with people. But you are confining yourself to a boundary, to a family, to your responsibilities. But why? Besides your responsibilities, besides your hectic schedule, you can take out some time for yourself. You can take out some time for learning English. You have a lot of excuses that I know. You could say, I don't have time enough to practice. I don't have a proper English environment. I don't have someone to practice with. But today, I have all the answers to your questions. But before that, you need to know, why do you need to learn this language? Why do you need to learn English language? See, learning this language, you can gain more confidence. You can start participating in conversations without hesitation. You can express your thoughts confidently. You will find yourself articulate. You can express your mind articulately. Just think, a mother keeps avoiding speaking at her child's school meeting because she can't understand English. She can't speak in English. She can't continue a conversation in English without hesitation. What would be the condition of that mother? She wants to say a lot of things. She has a lot of things to say, but only English is the barrier. Only because of this language, only because of English, she's not being able to communicate. She's not being able to say something in English. Yes, you can. You can learn this language. See, it's a language only. It's not a rocket science. It's a language, and a language is supposed to be spoken only. You need to communicate in this language only. Don't get scared. Just start learning this language from today onwards. Or if you are someone who has tried many times and you have faced a lot of problems, people laughed at you, people mocked at you, and you have made a lot of mistakes while speaking, then also it's completely okay. It's not the end of the world. You have a lot of times, you have a lot of opportunities to learn this language. See, if they are not laughing at you right now, then when? See, you are in this journey. You are going through a new journey. So you have to tolerate everything that we have already tolerated, and still we are tolerating. See, this language is not our mother tongue, right? And that's why we don't get a proper English environment, but we want to learn this language. If we can learn this language, if we speak in English, then many opportunities we can get. We can get prestige in society. You may think that I don't need any prestige from society. People are not good, so I'm not seeking for approval. Yes, this is very true. But you are seeking prestige from your children, right? Your children are being able to learn this language. They can speak in English, and in future they will be somewhere else, and you have to adapt that environment. You may have to adapt an environment where people speak in English only. You have to communicate with those people who speak in English only. Just think about it. Will you start learning English at that time when you will start facing this problem? Yeah, you may have this excuse as well. When I will start facing this problem, I will start learning this language. See, it's not like that. This is a language. You need to go through a lot of things, you need to go through a lot of process. You have to start practicing. You have to practice a lot. You have to learn a lot of things. You have to memorize a lot of words. You have to be spontaneous with this language. You have to be spontaneous with a lot of words. Just think about that. When will you start learning this language? Now, some of you may be thinking that it's not possible for me. It's not possible for us because we have a lot of works already. We have a lot on our plate already. So we can't take out time from our daily schedule, from our hectic schedule. But who are really enthusiastic for learning this language, today's video is really for them. Today's video is entirely for them. And the next part of this video is only for them. Because here I'm going to tell you how to take out time from your hectic schedule. See, if you are completely busy, if you have already a lot of things on your plate, then also you can take out some times for learning this language. See, you don't need to take out times separately. You don't need to learn this language sitting somewhere separately, sitting somewhere being completely attentive. No, it's not like that. You can learn this language while doing your household chores. Just think about it. See, I'm not telling you to take out 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours from your daily schedule, from your hectic schedule, from your daily routine. No, because I know very well that it's not possible for you. You can learn this language while doing your household chores. Yes, sounds really amazing, right? You can learn this language really while doing some household chores. See, as an English learner, 4 things you need to do. These are really essential for learning this language. First one is listening something in English, listening to podcast or something in English. And the next one is reading something in English. And then you need to write something in English and then speak in English. These 4 things you need to do because you are going through a process. Now, the question is, how is it possible? Because already you have a lot of things to do. So taking out some times for doing these 4 things is completely impossible. But I'm telling you how to do that. See, while cooking or while doing dishes, you can listen to podcasts or you can listen to something in English. If your child is in English medium school, then you have a lot of opportunities for learning this language. Just start teaching your children. If you are thinking to hire someone to teach your children, then you are making a big mistake. See, you are a mother, right? So you can teach your children. Now, the barrier is this language. This language is completely new to you, that I completely agree with. But you can do one thing. Before explaining any chapter, just you yourself read that chapter. Yes, just read that chapter by yourself. You may get a lot of new words there. But I believe you will not be completely unaware of those words because English had been a subject when you used to be a student. So you know a lot of words, right? But some words you may come across, those are completely new to you. Just note them down. Just write down those words that you are coming across. See, you may come across a lot of new words initially. Make a diary and note them down. Yes, make a diary and note them down. And after that, just try to get their meaning. You have a lot of tools. You can use Google Translate. You can use ChatGPT. You may get a lot of examples. And once you complete a chapter, you can explain it to your children. And this is how you can improve your English. See, you are doing everything here. You are reading something in English, you are writing something in English. Now, only one thing is left. One thing is remaining here. That is speaking. See, start speaking with very small sentences, very short sentences with your children. Yes, start with very short sentences like, I want to drink a glass of water. Please get me a glass of water. I love to read. I love to learn this language. I love to learn English language. I have a lot of works. I need to complete cooking. I need to complete this household chores. I have this responsibility. I'm given this work today. I have to complete this work before this time. So these are some small sentences, very short sentences. You can start your English, your speaking journey with these short sentences. It will not engage you. You are not taking out time separately. You are using your times, but wisely. See, just try to do that. You will learn this language very easily. Now, you may have a question. You may be thinking that I'm not a mother. My children have grown enough. Then what to do? How can I learn this language? See, you have a great opportunity that you are not nurturing your children. So you are getting some times separate. You are getting some free times. Now you can utilize this time. Just try to be engrossed in this language. Yes, always try to think something in English, read something in English, listen to podcast in English. Just utilize your time wisely, thoughtfully. Have you ever met those elderly women, those ladies who can speak English fluently? And you may think that this is the beauty. They're really beautiful. Do you know why? Because they can articulate their thoughts. See, when you are confident, you find yourself really articulate. You are not hesitating to say something. See, without any hesitation, you can continue a conversation. You can convey your thoughts. And that time, this language will not be a barrier. So just try to learn this language. Now you have this opportunity. So while cooking, don't just cook. Listen to podcast. While doing dishes, don't just do the dishes. Listen to something in English. While folding cloth, don't just fold them. Just think in English what you are doing right now. You are folding your cloth. Just think this line in English. Think this sentence in English only. And this how improve your English. Start speaking English with your children, with your family members. Don't think that I will start speaking in English when my English will be perfect. Don't think that. See, this is a language, and this language is supposed to be spoken only. You have to start speaking. If you are a homemaker, don't underestimate yourself. You do a lot of things. You manage a home. You take care of a family. You solve a lot of problems every single day. Just make your mind be determined and start learning this language. Once you start learning this language, you will overcome everything. You will learn this language very easily because you have that potential, you have that ability, that capability to learn this language. Because if you can do all that, you can learn this language very easily. You can learn English too. So I believe you love this video. And today you have got to know how to learn this language very easily, despite having a hectic schedule. So start practicing and learn this language quickly. I will come back to you with another content. Till then, take care. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.